Welcome to autobotsoft.com. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to run backlink traffic software to increase web traffic from backlinks automatically. After downloading and installing the software, you will see the interface here. Now we will set up. First, run. This is the number of times that you want the software to run successfully. If you set it at the default, the software will run continuously until you stop it manually. You can put any other number here, for example 1000. The software will run 1000 times successfully and then stop automatically. Next, tracks. This is the number of tabs that will be open at the same time to run. For example, you put 5 here. 5 tabs will be open and 5 accounts will be launching to run the software. Next, at proxy search, there are 4 choices for you. If you select the first one, DCOM, you need to attach the DCOM to your PC to run the software. Next, if you select from data, you need to import proxy with Gmail accounts. At Gmail account section here, I will instruct you later. Next, if you select from file, you need to import proxy into the links proxy section here. So there are 2 options for you to choose. The first one is live from URL. When you select live from URL, you need to paste link address of your proxy here. In case you select live from file, you need to create a text file to save proxy. For example, these are our proxy. You can see each proxy will be imported per line, and then click to save. And at list proxy section, you will click on this icon, select the text file of proxy created. In case you don't have proxy, you can select no as proxy search. The software will use the IP of your computer to run the software. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent safe and cheap proxy. Next, we'll use Gmail section. In case you don't want to use Gmail, you can select no at this section. And if you want to use Gmail, you will select yes. And there are 2 options for you to import Gmail. The first one is at Gmail account section here. You will import Gmail accounts in a text file. So you create a text file. Then you will import Gmail account in format Gmail. Camera password, recovery mail, and if you select from data at proxy search section, you need to import IP, port, username and password of that IP into this Gmail account text file. In this text file, I will import all of them. And in case you select proxy from other sources, no need to import IP import here. Similarly, you can import thousands of Gmail accounts here. Each email will be entered per line. And click to save. At Gmail account section, you will click on this icon, select created Gmail account text file. Another way for you to use Gmail is you can rent Gmail cookies from us if you don't have too many Gmail accounts. In this case, you will select yes at Will Run Cookie section, and you need to upload the cookie text file that we provided at Run the Cookies file section. You will click on this icon and select the cookie text file provided. In general, you should use Gmail accounts to run the software to increase the quality of traffic. Next, input data section. You need to import website with backlink and main website into this section. To do this, you will click on this icon data. Then you will see the database manager dialog box. So you can see you need to import website with backlink and main website into this database managers. So there are two ways for you to do this. The first way is you will import data manually. You will click on this icon, select add group. Then you type the group name here. For example, I will type tutorial and then click OK. Then click on this group, click on this icon, select add item. You can see there are two fields to enter here. The first one is website with backlink. This is the website with backlink, for example. So you need to copy this part, only this part of the link, not the total link, and then paste it into this section. Next, with main website field, you will copy the main website here, for example, autobotshop.com main website, and paste it into main website field, and then click OK. Similarly, you can import many websites with backlink and main website here. Another way for you to do this is you will create a text file to save links. Then you will import link website with backlink and main website into this text file. For example, this is the website with backlink, and then comma, then the main website. Similarly, you can import thousands of websites here. Then click to save. Back to the database manager dialog box. You click on convert, import CSV, and then click on this icon, select the text file of links created. And then you can see the data had been imported here. You can click on this group and click on this icon to rename the group name to easily manage. For example, I rename tutorial 2 and then close this dialog box. And then at input data, you select the group of data that you want to run. Next, with folder cookies and folder data sections, you will create new folders, name it as cookies, and do the same with data folder. Then you will click on this folder cookies and then copy the path of this folder cookies. The folder cookies will save login status of Gmail accounts, so the software will not log in Gmail account in the next run. Paste the path into this session, and next, later copy the path and paste it into folder data section. Next, at file sections, the unit here is seconds. So if you set like 60 to 90 seconds like that, the software will visit the website backlink and then surf, move the cursor in from 60 to 90 seconds, and then it will visit the main site. Then it continue to surf and move the circle, simulate human activities in from 60 to 90 seconds. Then finally, you click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software visit the website with backlink and then bring traffic to the main website. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to increase bulk traffic from backlink automatically with our software Backlink Traffic automation tool. You can visit automastraf.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.